Just like Dory and Marlin's journey through the vast ocean, your pursuit of comfort and convenience ends with us in Sydney. BELONG Mascot brings you an unparalleled experience that will redefine your academic journey. Prepare to be awestruck by the breathtaking city views from your bedroom. BELONG Mascot offers 1, 2, or 3-bed apartments that bring you the perfect blend of privacy as well as a community experience. The rooms feature a comfortable double bed, personal study desk, a built-in wardrobe, and a well-equipped kitchen in the apartment for those scrumptious meals. But that's not all. Stay in top shape with a state-of-the-art gym or indulge in a self-care spa session with the on-site spa at the property, ensuring your well-being is never compromised. Need to catch up with your laundry chores? The on-site washing machine is right at your service. Leave aside all your concerns and live a complete student life by staying within a short distance from universities like Taylor College and Sydney Film School. In this vast ocean of student homes, your perfect sanctuary awaits at Mascot Student Accommodation. Secure your heaven today by visiting amberstudent.com and let the journey to extraordinary academic experiences begin.